Hi YouTube fam, my name is Roxy and on this channel we talk about everything money.
Before we jump into today's topic, if you will go ahead and subscribe if you are new here, hit that notification bell to stay abreast on new uploads, and feel free to drop a comment, like, and share so that we can help reach others that may benefit from this content as well. And again, I do thank you.
Hi everyone, we're going to start off with a scripture for today. Let your faith be bigger than your fear. Hebrews 13:16. So hey everybody, listen. So I'm out here walking and I wanted to bring y'all some passive income ideas. Now, I do want to give credit to my baby for he said, listen, babe, you need to do something letting them know why you decided to start this channel. And that's what I'm going to do. So I decided to start this channel because I'm always trying to encourage others or provide others with passive income ideas or even jobs or how to save money, things of that nature. So I said, you know what? If I could touch somebody, reach somebody, reach one, teach one, pretty much. Okay? So that's what we're doing. And that's why I decided to start this. Now, what I have, let me see, 4 passive income ideas. And I have a bonus, so please stick around. Do not skip through because I have some goodies in here for you. Okay, you don't want to miss it, so please watch the whole video through. Thank you. Thank you. As the name suggests, asset building entails investing the initial time and energy necessary to create an asset that generates income. Even though it might not come with the high financial cost of investment, it does include the danger that the things you spend your time developing might not be able to sell. Okay, so keep that in mind. All right, so number 1, digital products. Okay, this little fake hair getting all in my darn mouth. Sorry. Jesus. All right. Digital products. Anything can be a digital product, all right, including textbooks, lesson plans, mobile apps, even NFTs. The important thing is that you can construct them only once and then sell the same asset repeatedly online. Okay, passive income. You can either completely ignore the digital things, you could produce or invest time and resources into marketing them. Okay. So that's one way of making passive income. Number 2, music and photo licensing. If you're artistic, licensing your photos or songs to stock image and music websites can help you generate a passive revenue stream. The usage of your works is then licensed to other content developers for a fee. Photographers can sell their photographs or websites or own websites like iMovie and Adobe Stock, while musicians can sell their tracks on platforms like AudioJungle.net and Pond5. Okay. Number 3, affiliate sales. You can receive passive income from affiliate sales. So whenever someone makes a purchase after clicking a link or entering a referral code that you publish on a website, video, podcast. All right. Usually you'll get a fixed charge or a percentage of what they spend. Affiliate links can be used for any kind of product or service. So you can make passive income from everything from mattress reviews to software evaluations. But keep in mind that this market is fiercely competitive and that the most effective affiliate marketing entails the provision of regular high quality content. Okay? Hold up. Wait a minute. Do anybody know what that sound means? Listen, that means you have 5 seconds to subscribe. All right? Go ahead and throw in a like. Throw in a comment while you're doing that. Please. Tell me what you know. Tell me what you want to know about. I want to hear from you. Okay? Let me know what you would like. All right. Thank you. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. See how easy that was? Thank you, guys. Number 4, custom design products. These glasses keep slipping down here. By submitting your original designs to print-on-demand businesses like Teespring, Redbubble, Cafe Press, Zazzle, and more sites like that, you may earn passive income whenever someone purchases a t-shirt, a coffee mug, or other tangible items with your design. Now, let me pause right there. I have a product that I designed, and I designed that product from BookBolt, and you will see one of my videos I do talk about BookBolt, okay? And I use Canva as well. So you really don't have to use BookBolt. If you don't want to, you can use Canva. So, and I produced some books, low content books. One of the books that I produced is a workout plan book, or workout planner, which I'm going to post that link to for those who would like to purchase that book. Support your girl. Purchase the workout planner. If you don't need it, purchase it for somebody else. Birthday gift, Christmas gift, any kind of gift, okay?
You get to cry. Thank you.
But yes, that's one that you could do, and I posted on Amazon so that I could sell it. So, yeah, good resource. Selling tangible items is also less irritating overall because you don't have to bother about printing, storage, or shipping. All right? Because what you're going to do, you're going to make the product and you're going to post it on the site. And then when somebody buys it, then you make a profit. You don't have to come out of pocket for trying to buy bulk yourself and then reselling it. You don't have to do all that. All right? Okay, so y'all listen. Tell me why the heck I bothered to walk and try to do this. Because I'm about out of breath. I ain't finna sit here and lie to you. Baby, I'm about out of breath. All right. For the bonus that you all been waiting for. Advertise on your car. All right. Make passive income by using your car as a moving billboard. Websites like Free Car Media, Rapify, Carvertise, Stickeride, companies like that. Allow car owners and advertisers to interact by placing a vinyl decal on your car for a set amount of time without altering your normal driving habits. You can create a sizable passive revenue stream. Okay? Make sure the platform and ads you choose are compatible with your driving preferences. All right? Thank you so much for watching. And as always, please share, like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And have a great day.